A children's card game worth more than billion. Sounds like a Kaiba meme until one little rectangle of cardboard sells for $300,000 on eBay. Tonight, we summon a monster called inflation. Not on groceries, not on gas, but on glossy bits of art that fit in a sleeve. Yu-Gi-Oh! Card inflation. How cardboards became more valuable than coins. By the end of this duel, you will know why a 2002 Blue Eyes White Dragon outperforms the S&P 500. How scarcity, speculation, and nostalgia fuse into a three-headed dragon called collectability, and the opportunity cost of chasing cardboard instead of compound interest, and when it actually makes sense. Disclaimer: I'm a cosmic pirate, not your fiduciary. This is entertainment and education. Consult a pro before you wire 6 figures for a shiny dark magician girl. If you're ready, smash like to draw your first card. Tap subscribe to join the Starheart Guild. Ring the bell so YouTube doesn't send you to the shadow realm. And download your free Star Path budget map below. All hands, engage, star, drive. First move, reveal the field spell. Basic, supply, and demand. Konami printed the first English Yu-Gi-Oh! Set, Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon, in 2002. Distribution was modest. Retailers didn't know kids would ditch Pogs overnight. Fast forward to 2021, pristine LOB001 Blue Eyes, graded PSA 10, sells for $85,000. In 2022, a sealed first edition box hits $475,000 at auction. That's an annualized return north of 30%, blasting past gold, oil, and yes, Bitcoin across the same stretch. Drivers of the boom: scarcity. Early print runs were small. Many cards were demolished by binder rings and playground soda. Nostalgia. Millennials with grown-up paychecks crave childhood glory. COVID stimulus. Stay-at-home boredom plus relief checks equal cardboard bull market. Rating culture. Third-party slabs turn condition into a tradable commodity. Result: cardboard eclipses coins. Literally, a PSA 10 Red Eyes Black Dragon now equals a slabbed 1921 Morgan silver dollar set. Impressive, but let's activate Pot of Greed. Time to draw 2 numbers. Take Blue Eyes at $85,000. It sold for $1,200 in 2010. CAGR 43%. Legendary. But miss a subgrade? A PSA 9 fetches just $9,000 at 89% haircut. Card prices are cliff steeped, not smooth. Hidden fees, grading $15 to $300 per card. Insurance 1 to 2% of declared value. Secure storage, Bank Vault $200 plus per year. Auction commissions 12 to 20%. Subtract those and the average Blue Eyes CAGR shrinks to 32%. Still wild, but closer to high beta tech stocks than magic money. Volatility. In 2023, the trading card game boom cooled. Some mid-tier PSA 10s slid 35% in 6 months. Imagine a stock that amputates a third of its value every time Konami announces a reprint. Let's step inside the dual disc and see why certain cards warp reality. 1. First edition stamp. Unlimited Blue Eyes, cool. First edition, grail. Like first prints of Action Comics #1, supply may be 5% of total. 2. PSA/BGS population. Less than 120 PSA 10 LOB Blue Eyes exist worldwide. That's scarier than Ferrari Enzos. Collectors love pop report. Scarcity quantified. Iconic screen time. Dark Magician Girl PSA 10s sell higher than stronger meta cards because she headlined fan favorite episodes. Story value is greater than power value. 4. Cultural crossover. Artist autographs, Shonen Jump cover promos, prismatic secret rares. Each crossover widens better pools beyond core duelists. Understanding these levers lets you predict the next sleeper grail. But remember, every lever is a double-edged card. Reprints can nuke scarcity overnight. Great, but should you chase cardboard or stick to coins? Scenario Duel. Field A. 5,000 in a Vanguard total stock ETF, 8% average annually. Projection, 30 years equals $50,000. Field B. 5,000 in a raw Yu-Gi-Oh boxes, graded over time. If you score 2 PSA 10 grails that 10 times, you eclipsed Field A. Miss and pull PSA 8s, you will stall at 12,000, half of passive equities. Opportunity cost is the coin you pay to gamble versus guarantee. Card investing equals high sigma dice roll, except only if 1. Core finances, emergency fund, retirement, debt are already solid. 2. You love the hobby. Passion hedges volatility. 3. You spend barbecue money. Cash you can burn and still feast. If you're all in, here's your sideboard strategy. Rule 1. Condition is king. A PSA 9 blue eyes equals card. PSA 10 equals a small house. Inspect centering, edges, hollow foil print lines with jeweler's loop. Rule 2. Buy the rare, not the hype. Firsted booster boxes, tournament prize cards, misprint are greater than flavor of the month meta staples. Rule 3. Grade in batches. Submit 20 cards at economy rate. 1 PSA 10 pays for the rest. Rule 4. Insure and store. Fire safe, desiccant packs, or bank vault. Humidity is the true Egyptian god. Rule 5. Exit plan. Auction houses for 5-figure slabs, eBay for mid-tier, local Facebook groups for quick liquidity. Know your gates before you duel. Cards graded strategy set. Time for the shadow fees nobody discusses. Market manipulation. Discord pump groups hoard sealed cases. Drip supply, then rug pull. Reprint risk. Konami's 25th anniversary rarity collection sliced values on some secrets by 70%. Counterfeit surge. High resolution printers plus good card stock equal fakes. So clean, even veterans misjudge. Only grade from pack fresh or reputable sellers. Tax man's mirror force. In the United States, collectibles are taxed at 28%. Long-term gains higher than stocks. Factor it or forfeit life points at end game. Now let's shuffle all this data into one final lesson. Cardboard beating coins isn't magic. It's a case study in scarcity, story, and speculation. The same forces pumped tulip bulbs in 1637, crypto kittens in 2021. If you play the game, respect risk, hoard knowledge, and enjoy the art. Because a blue eyes isn't a dividend until you sell, but it is a smile every time the light hits that secret rare foil. If you skip the game, remember you can clone the thrill by investing in companies that print the fun. Konami stock, Grab Labs SPACs, or merch royalties, while still compounding boring coins. Life points low? Let's draw our final card. If tonight's duel taught you why cardboard can crush coins, smash subscribe, drop a like in the comments, share with a duelist friend, and download the free Star Path budget map below. I'm Geo Bravo, guiding the voyage, never dictating the draw. Remember, question every market, safeguard every dream, and under the glow of stars, we forge our future together. Captain, signing off. Peace.